Today we're going to show you the Universal Platinum Executive Pouch from the Wireless X group. Now this phone pouch is a sturdy and classic option to help protect your phone. It's a vertical pouch, size large, and it has durable, resilient nylon fabric that will keep it from getting damaged. Both the sides and the bottom are elastic. They stretch to hold your phone in place. And it also has this magnetic clasp closure that secures your phone. On the back, this pouch has reinforced steel padded ratcheting belt clip. You can see it will attach to your belt. Now, unlike a swivel belt clip, which rotates freely, the ratcheting belt clip locks about every 45 degrees as you turn it around. As you can see, it can go the full 360 degrees around. It has high quality black stitching, and it's compatible with most phones, including many BlackBerry, HTC, LG, Motorola, and Nokia phones. So there we have the Universal Platinum Executive Pouch.